Welcome back to the Play Silk series. Look at this gorgeous blossom play silk that I have here. It's available from Harper & Sloan. It's Sarah Silks and they are gorgeous. In this series I show you per age group how we use play silks as the ultimate open-ended toy to play with our child for age-appropriate development. Now today we are looking at the 12 to 15 month age mark, and we are continuing on our object permanence journey, but we are expanding it to be age appropriate, as I mentioned. If you don't know what object permanence is, go back and watch the 6 to 9 and 9 to 12 month videos where I give a good introduction, overview and baseline of things you can do to help your child grasp that concept really well. It's for them to understand that something still exists even if they can't see it. So today what we're going to do is we are going to do kind of a treasure hunt. What you need is you need soft toys that your child loves, and you're going to go and create a little treasure hunt for them. While they're taking their nap, go to their playroom or to the sitting room or to any place that you can prepare this activity for them, and scatter a couple of soft toys all over the floor. I think 4 to 6 are plenty. Then what you can do is you can cover the toys with play silks. So what you will have, I'm just going to put this basket down so that I can easily demonstrate for you, is you're going to have a couple of piles on the ground of hidden objects. When your child wakes up and they're wide awake and alert and ready for an activity, you've already prepared this and it's like a big surprise waiting for them. What you can do then is lead them and prompt them by telling them, "Oh, I wonder what's there on the floor. Go and have a look, my darling. What's there under the pink play silk? Do you want to go and have a look?" And your little one can crawl or walk, depending on how far they are with their motor development, from one toy to another and reveal it and open it up and collect it. They can even carry it back to you. It's so much fun to do this because they get this awesome surprise. A good alternative to this exercise is if you take a soft toy and you wrap it completely in your play silk like a little present. Now, children love unwrapping things and they love presents, and presents don't have to be new toys. It can be toys that you've put in the cupboard for a week or two and then take out as a brand new toy. That's what I always do when I play this present game. I wrap some of the toys that our son already has, but it's brand new to him because I just put them away for a week or so before I do it. Now this is a wrapped bundle. What's inside? You're going to build the excitement, mommy. You're going to tell your child, look at this present. It's so beautiful. I wonder what's inside. And you're going to encourage your child and help your child to unfold this and open it up, and oh, it's the elephant with his big floppy ears and his long trunk and his little small tail. You're going to do something like that. You can take a couple of play silks and a couple of toys and make 4 or 5 parcels for your child to open up. All of this is such great fun, and I hope that your child enjoys doing this. I'll be back next week or next time with a new video in this series to show you how to use the play silk for your 15 to 18 month old child.